Hey guys, here is a 44-inch Hampton Bay Cameron II ceiling fan in the white finish. This fan features reversible white and bleached oak blades. I have the white side showing right now. And this fan is installed in my bedroom. I have installed this fan. It's been up for about a month now. And it runs really well. I actually picked this up off of OfferUp. I think I paid around $20 for it. And it came 100% complete, and it's also in very good shape. It came with everything to install the fan, and it also came with the manual, the flush mounting piece, which you can't really see it that well, as well as the down rod and some of the lead wires. So, previous owner took very good care of this fan. When I got it, I don't think the person that I bought it from was the original owner, because when I looked at the fan a little bit closer, under the canopy trim ring there is a sticker that says $5 on it. So I'm assuming the original owner sold the fans to the person I bought it from, and now I have it. But kudos to the person that sold it to me. They made a $15 profit, so whatever. And this fan, like I said, it's in very good shape, and I have my suspicion that this fan was either installed in a basement where there was no sunlight, or the original owner installed it, and they did not like how it looked, and they just took it back down and never returned it, because none of the plastic parts are yellow on it. Also, there's absolutely no scratches on this thing at all, and even the pull chain is still shiny. So, I have my suspicions that it was either barely used or never really installed properly or fully. There was a balancing weight on one of the blades, which I did remove, but this fan does have a big balancing problem, and I took a lot of time to balance the fan, so now it's fairly balanced. There is still a slight wobble to it, but it's okay. It doesn't bother me too much. But anyways, I'll start it up. Here's low speed. It does have a little bit of a startup hum, but after a while it does get up to speed and it's pretty quiet. And this fan replaced that Hampton Bay windward that used to be in here, which that was a very good fan too. I just got a little bit tired of it, so I figured I'd install this for a little while. There's also, I forgot to mention, there is a slight scratch on the switch cap, which I believe was a result of the previous owner dragging it along the concrete floor. But you can't notice it too much unless you go up really close to it. That's about low speed. Here's medium. Goes very fast for medium speed. It's more so like a medium high. Now switch to high speed. This thing flies on high speed. It's a very powerful fan. See the wobble? There's also that scratch right there. Go shut it off. Get close up a bit. I do have a 1996 Hampton Bay Cameron, and it is a little bit different from this one. The vent holes are a little bit smaller on this one, as well as the blade arms. There's the tag up there. There's the other tag. There's one more over there. We just thought the top of the vents were pretty cool. I don't see them every day. But, yeah. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.